going on, everybody? Hope everyone is having a fantastic New Year's Eve day. Yeah, because it's New Year's Eve. Yeah. So, anywho, hope everyone is having a fantastic day, y'all. I've been going through some things trying to get this phone on my phone clip thing in my car to record this video and upload it to y'all. So I said, Bob, I'm just going to go old school and hold the phone. Things we used to do before we even had phone holders, right? I want to get this video out to you all today. So thanks for watching. Thanks for trusting in me, for sharing my experiences and my opinions on a number of things. So, in a couple more hours, it's going to be 2025. And I was just driving here. I had a long closing today, so I had to drop off the document at the UPS store, for which they're closing today at 3 o'clock. So I'm glad I got out when I did because I was at home cooking. So anyway, that's not what this video is about. This video is about the notary business and my thoughts about moving forward. Excuse me, in 2025, and what I'm going to do differently. Well, I haven't shared with you all that I have gotten a total of 3 work from home jobs. That's variable, very flexible, meaning that I can log in and log out any time within 24 hours of a day. Having that flexibility is what made me want to become a notary, and the potential of income is the second thing that made me want to become a notary. But you got to be careful what you ask for, because sometimes the things you ask for you just might get. So 2025 will be the year that I renew my notary commission, and I will renew my notary commission. So don't be like, oh, Nikki, don't give up on notary business, because I'll be the main one telling everybody this has changed my life for the best, right? This has allowed me to be the type of woman, be the type of mother, be the type of person I've always wanted to be, just by having my own business and being a notary public. Like, I've had reselling business before, I have wholesaling business before. I've driven, Uber, Lyft, but there's nothing quite comparable to the notary business as a business, right? So loan closings is what I mainly did in my business. But I'm the type of person that I learned this about myself in 2024. This year alone, believe it or not, that I don't like stress. I don't like the aggravation. I don't like the ups and downs. I don't like the micromanagement of what all comes with this at times. Uber and Lyft is not like that. You get in the car, you turn the app on, you drive, you turn it off when you don't want to. You can drive as long as you want to, 12 hours. If you only want to make $50 a day, or you want to make $500 a day, it's up to you. Reselling. If you can source good, profitable items, you can make $1,000, $10,000, $20,000 a day. I'm just thinking big. I'm not small-minded, right? Notary business, you have to wait. You have to market. And then when people call you, then if you screen them, they answer all the qualifying questions, then you make money. So I just figured that I came to the conclusion I was just getting burnt out for all that hunting. You hunt what you eat. Eat what you hunt. How'd that go? Something like that. And I just got tired, y'all. I just got tired. Me trying to raise teenagers. Have a successful notary business. My personal life just kind of went downhill. I kind of forgot what I like to do. I really didn't do anything but work. If it wasn't waking up in the mornings, getting the kids off for school, yes, they're in high school, but I never got to do that when they were younger. I either had to leave the house like before they got up, and then when I get off work, they'd be in the bed. So I was an absent parent. Although I worked all the time, I just wasn't there. They get home from school, I might have the energy to help them with the homework. I might not. To be honest with you, let's be for real. When you working 12, 16-hour days, like, it's a lot. So when I became a notary, I was more able to, take them to school, make sure to see what they wore to school. Like, I could tell you, okay, my son wore a red shirt today, my daughter wore black jeans today. Before, I didn't know something would happen to him. I couldn't tell them people what my kids had on, because I ain't know. So I wish I could have known about this earlier. That's why I always try to tell young mothers who I meet, do this. You don't have childcare, do this. You You do need transportation, because relying on somebody else to take you to your appointment is not gonna work. I'm sorry, it's not. I don't care. They say, "Oh yeah, I got your back." Don't do that, because you're gonna mess yourself up. So back to what I'm saying is that I needed a break from the ripping and rubbing. I need to be complete CEO of my life. Like, honestly, the complete CEO of my life. And the only way I could do that was to make sure I had guaranteed income. So if I know Friday from working this job, I'm going to have $750 deposited in my account on Friday, whew, that was just like a blessing to me. But today, Tuesday, and I ain't reached $750 yet. It was so stressful. Look at my hair, like, you think that's dirt. That's just gray hair. That's just gray hair. And people say, oh, gray comes in your hair because of stress. I don't know if that's what it really is, but I do know that, with me grinding every day, and I mean like 7 days a week, y'all, grinding, because on Sundays, I would have to print the papers, documents for Monday, because you don't want to print too soon, just in case they cancel. Then on Sundays, you calling and confirming on Monday. Then on Fridays, you calling and confirming on Saturday, and you printing off documents for Saturday, and you running all day on Saturday and still trying to make it the family birthday parties, the dinners, baby showers, weddings, whatever. It was a lot. And yes, I could have said no, but why? Why? So that's just where I'm at right now. I still encourage anybody to become a loan signing agent, but first become a notary. Loan sign is what you want to do it. Tap into somebody who does it in real life, and just hopefully they'll be honest with you and tell you, like I have, the ups and downs with it. Find somebody in your state that does it. Go into these Facebook groups, go into Instagram, go into TikTok before they close it down, and follow somebody who's in your state, who does this. Like I share with you all, I found Carol Ray YouTube 10 years ago, and I binge watched every single video she had for us. Then I got the courage to sign up for her course. And at that time when she was living, she's no longer with us, but at that time you could call her and ask her questions, and she never was too busy. Like, I don't know how she did it, but she never was too busy. Now, she might not remember you exactly, for me, my experience personally, by, your name, but she always made you feel important. And that's what I try to do. When notaries reach out to me, I try to make you feel important. But I'm the type of person, too, my personality, I'm not going to sugarcoat nothing. Like, you're going to be grinding. You're going to be driving your car a lot. You're going to be, buying supplies, buying paper, going through, checking your emails. People going to say this. Like, I had a closing today, and it's what made me, made this video before, 2025 come. Like, I had a closing. Mind you, I didn't get the documents till late, for which that's cool. Been there, done that. I don't, that's just how it is. Sometimes you don't get the documents 30 minutes before the appointment. Cool. It's out of my control. I didn't get the documents till 30 minutes before the closing. What am I supposed to do? I still am going to do the closing. So I get the documents 30 minutes before the closing. Mind you, the closing location is probably like 36 minutes away from me. Okay, cool. I print the document. I look through them. Okay, everything looked fine. Everything printed out good. Package my stuff up like I normally do. Make sure my notary stamp was fully inked, because I hadn't stamped anything in a while. I didn't want it to be dry. So re-ink my notary stamp, and got on the road to the appointment and everything, and did the closing. Y'all, by the time I got back to my home office, I'm getting emails about make sure I scan and upload the documents and drop them today for funding. First of all, these people had been home all day, so I could have did the closing early in the morning if it was a funding thing. It was a funding issue, right? But all the people just have their hands in the pots, didn't have everything together, so I didn't get the documents, so I got the documents. Now you rushing me to run through the signing and scan the documents and drop them off. So, but you know what? I've been down this road so many times before. I met the expectations. I scanned the documents back, and I dropped them off before close of day. UPS closed at 3. I got there like 2:10. And I emailed them and let them know. Done. So, but I don't want to keep doing this. I really don't. I don't want to keep having this pressure on me. I'm gonna do the job. You keep accepting my request to do your signings. I'm gonna do it. You ain't gotta treat me like everybody else. And same thing with Amazon. Like I had got an email from Amazon about something that I had in my Amazon storage thing. That now that the company's not allowing resellers to resell their products, so now they gotta take my stuff down, ship it back to me, or I might just send it to a liquidation place because we get a little bit of money off of that. I don't know, but okay, cool, right? I know now. Next time I go sourcing, I won't pick up that item or that brand. Cool. You could look at like Amazon could be a headache too. But it's just something about these freaking emails. It's just something about these calls. It's just something about text messages. And Amazon is a billion, almost trillion dollar business company. And they got robots sending us messages because they go through our stuff and they filter through stuff and they send it to who we need to send it to. I don't know. I'm just over it, y'all. But I'm just blessed. I'm truly blessed. I'm still going to keep the people that I normally work with who don't hound me about closings that don't even give me time to I don't have a portable scanner. I never have. So how are you expecting me to get the documents late, print the documents off, look through the document, make sure y'all sent me everything that y'all say these people are supposed to have, drive there safely, be professional, polite, not already feeling rushed, but just calm down. They don't know what all done happened before I got those documents to borrowers, and still present myself professional because I'm on my business. I'm presenting my business on behalf of them, and get everything done. Don't miss no signatures. Don't overstamp stuff that don't need to be stamped. You know what I'm saying? Make sure they're printing on the documents they want to print on. Make sure if there's any extra documents that they need signed, initial, whatever, it's handled. And still know, as a professional, as a loan signing agent, what documents need to be filled out, what's not correct. And it's a lot. It's a lot. So I'm going into 2025. I'm just like, yeah, Nikki, you making the right decision. And I've slept so much better, y'all. I cannot tell y'all. Like, my daughter has seen the change in me. She's like, Mommy, you up later. Because it seemed like before I would just be rushing and get through the closings. After I have a full day of closings, I come home, print the documents for the next following day, and I'm in the bed. Because I just want to shut my brain off. I'm done. I'm over it. Now it's like I'm staying up a whole lot later. I'm cooking a whole lot later. Because I'm not rushed. I'm really chill. I'm really, really chill. And that's what I've been needing. So I just want to share that with you all today. Like I encourage y'all, if you are interested into becoming a loan signing agent, I think you should do that. But for me, moving forward in 2025, yeah, it's not going to be full time. I'm going to go back part time. And that's just what it is. So thanks for watching. And I hope you all have a happy, fantastic New Year's Eve night. And look forward for me tomorrow. I drop videos every single day. Take care.